Hey guys, how you doing? This is Jarvis Cloud Sr. This is a short, quick tutorial on how you whitelist an email in Gmail. Okay, so you just simply go, say you get an email. I'm gonna just do like this Joel Theron here. All right, so when you get an email, you click on that email and you simply, once you get the email, you can click star the email, come here to label. What I do, I just take the name here, I left click, hold the name, right click, copy the name, come here to this box, click on it, and go to create label. Right here at create label, label as, create label, right click, paste, Joel Theron, create. All right. Once that label is created, you come here to more. Filter messages like these. The email is already here. You see in the background where additional emails of that sort is already there as well. Come to create filter. Once you create the filter, you have 4 tabs that you want to connect. One of them is apply the label. Apply the label. Come here. These are all the different filters. I'm just going to hit J. J is going to take me on down here to Joel Theron. All right. I'm also going to hit never send to spam. Categorize, choose category, make it primary, and then apply filters like that as well. And come here and mash create filter. All right. Now, if you go back to the box, you see here it say Joel Theron. Now, everything that has Joel Theron will now automatically be inside of a folder, and it will allow that email to be whitelisted as well. Thanks.